In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to emails in Aweber. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any piece of text in your email into a clickable link, save your work, and publish your automation so your subscribers see the right content at the right time. Start by opening your browser and searching for Aweber. Click the official result that takes you to the Aweber website. A quick tip here. Double-check the domain and look for the secure lock icon in your address bar to make sure you're on the legitimate site. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In and log in to your account. After you're in, head to Automation, then choose Workflows. Workflows are where you control the automated journeys your subscribers go through, and adding links inside messages here helps guide people to your site, offers, or resources. Select the workflow you want to work on. Inside the workflow canvas, click the plus icon and choose Send Message if you want to add a new email, or simply click an existing message if you're updating one. Either path takes you into the message editor where you can edit the email content. In the editor, find the exact words you want to turn into a link and highlight them. It's best to pick short, descriptive text like "Read the full guide" or "Shop the collection," rather than pasting long URLs directly into the body. As soon as you select the text, a formatting toolbar will appear above or below it. Click the chain link icon to insert a hyperlink. A small pop-up will open asking for your destination URL. Paste your full link there, including the HTTPS at the beginning, and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the link. If you use tracking parameters, paste the complete URL exactly as provided. When you're ready, confirm by clicking the green check mark or the Save button in that pop-up. Aweber will now turn your selected text into a clickable link. When you're done editing, click Save or choose Save and Exit to return to the workflow. Saving frequently is a good habit, especially if you're making multiple updates. Back on the workflow screen, finish up by clicking Publish. This pushes your changes live so new subscribers entering the workflow will receive the updated message with your link. If needed, you can always come back later, make adjustments, and publish again. That's it. Clean, clear, and effective links inside your Aweber emails. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.